I know when people first pick up the guitar and start playing, they're totally disconnected, from the guitar, and that's cool if you're doing acoustic or some jangly stuff, but ours is really kind of tight machine-like. So it's all about anchoring on my bridge, grounding my palm on here. Most of my guitars are all worn right here from just that. It's important that I have an anchor and go off of that. Because that is one sound, but my not sound is precise. So, but obviously for big open chords, it's always fun to, throw your arm around, but the anchor is pretty important and always has been. So when I pick up another guitar, like one of Kirk's guitars, he's got like a Floyd Rose or so, there's no anchor on it. It's like, how do you play? And, he's just developed his style with a certain guitar. This is the traditional kind of older, Gibson stop tail piece and a bridge. And that just works great for me.